Hello! Do you know how to add Roman numerals together? If you don't, that's great, because that's why we're here to help. So, Roman numerals are like old-fashioned languages for numbers. So, in our number today, you could have the number 1. But to Roman numerals, that would look like this, like an I. Or you could have a V, so it's a 5 in Roman numerals, and that is 5 to us. So, adding it together is the same as adding and subtracting to addition for us today. So, adding numerals means adding the Roman numerals together. So, let's say we have a sum of 1 plus 5, and that would equal 6. Well done, 6. But in Roman numerals, that sum would look like this. I plus V. And to equal 6 in Roman numerals, what you do is you put the V for 5, and then you put the I after it and connect them together. And that, in Roman numerals, is the number 6. Okay, and then you could do, say now, another sum, like 5 plus 5. So, let's do that. V is 5, so it would be V plus V equals, and in Roman numerals, 10 is like this, it's an X. So that is how you add Roman numerals together. You just need to know what the Roman numerals are. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one.